Today we're finding out if it's possible to build a garage using nothing but Facebook Marketplace. And there's only one way to find out. You'll never believe the insane deals I find in this video, so strap in because it's gonna get crazy.
It is insane. And imported from there.
Well, it's 3 tons, so we'll do it. First step, we need a garage. And after going through a ton of listings on Facebook Marketplace and checking out everything from rundown shack to full-blown warehouses, we eventually found one that checks almost all of our boxes. Oh, we got our first garage. Yeah, this is it.
No, this is a nice space.
It's a decent space, right?
Oh my God.
Like, I saw this, I was like, wait, it better not be this low. Okay, there we go. Okay, I want to try and see if I can fit it in here. 2 cars? I can work on 2 cars at the same time.
Imagine first day.
Now that we secured the garage, we just need to fill it up. Every garage has to have jack stands, a floor jack, an engine hoist, shelving, heating, cooling, and lighting. I know this sounds crazy, but my goal is to hopefully get this whole place decked out all for under $700. And after a full 3 days of constantly reloading Facebook Marketplace, I think we finally ran into our first jackpot. I found a mechanic shop going out of business, meaning that they were trying to get rid of everything, and I mean everything.
Most of it's over here. We have some stuff over here too,
Gotcha.
but that, the entrance thing. Literally anything in this shop is for sale.
And within 1 hour of the listings being posted, I walked in and secured the jack stands, engine hoist, and engine stand, all for only $260. At the end of the video, I'll be going over what the retail prices are and what I paid for them to see if it's really worth it. Anyways, I had to go to work, so I left everything overnight at the shop, and the next day I went back, not knowing that really soon I was about to strike gold. How you doing? You're good, good. Yeah, all right, am I able to take a look around and see the other stuff you got? All right, that's that. And do you have that like that heater thing? I think I saw like a heater on your listing. That one, yeah.
Yeah, that is the other side.
Yeah,
Sure, let's go
cool.
take a look.
That is industrial size.
Yeah.
Wait, how much?
This was 200 for a guy. Starting price is like 550. New.
Oh.
I don't know if it'd be a little too much for me, but I was wondering, what is the lowest y'all could do for it?
So we have it at 2. I could do it for 150.
150? Let's do 150, and then I'll take everything else.
There's gotta be levels, you know.
Yeah, and I think you can stack it like this. Oh, my foot. Ah! All right, we got it. Cool. You got the free diesel, bro. You smell that? Yeah. That smells like money. So are you guys selling this one too? The shop too? Both of them closing?
Yeah. Yep.
You guys have any discounts on cars at all?
So all the cars are basically dropped down to wholesale prices.
Oh, okay.
Because whatever doesn't go by next Wednesday, we're just sending it back to auction.
What's the cheapest car y'all have in the lot?
BMW rate.
Yeah.
That's at 2,990.
Can I take a look at it in a second?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Yeah, take your time. It's not bad for $2,900. Let's go hook up a scanner to it. I want to find out more about it. But thankfully for us, this video is sponsored by MuCar. The MuCar 892BT is a professional grade diagnostic scanner designed to replace multiple tools all in one system. Featuring full system diagnostics, it can scan every module in your car, not just the engine. With AutoVin technology, it instantly identifies your vehicle and begins diagnosis with 0 setup. It supports over 3,000 bidirectional active tests, which allows you to send commands directly to components like fuel injectors, coolant fans, windows, and more without needing any extra hands. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Oh, look. Wait.
Oh, yep.
2 ECM codes.
Feel that?
Oh, that's not good.
That's not good.
What's going on? Okay. Camshaft timing control.
No, we not taking this.
So thankfully, we got this thing right here. I would have like, oh, this is normal for a BMW, right? No.
Right? Yeah, man.
There's some money in here. Dude, how old is this car? What the hell? Look at the iPhone 4 charger.
What scanner do you have?
Oh, this is like, it's like a MuCar one. Yeah, it's like everything. Yeah, it's like diagnostics and all that. If you want to grab one for yourself, I included the link to the MuCar 892BT down below. These tires are for sale too, I think. That barrel oil right there, how much is that?
Oh, I forget how much he said.
That's for sale though, right?
Yeah, it is for sale.
Ooh,
Wait.
W30 synthetic, okay.
Oh, this one's full.
And are you sure it's like new and not used, right?
Yeah, no, this is new.
All right,
Yeah,
cool.
yeah.
250 for that?
Yeah, 250. Since you're here, I'll do it for 200.
All right, bet, let's do this.
200?
Yep.
Okay.
How do we get this thing out of here? Yo. Oh, how do they move these?
Yo, I have no idea.
Maybe.
I mean, it's moving, but
At least we got video.
yo. Alright, now we just
Now
like
what?
hook a chain up to it and just drive. I'd say maybe like roll it over,
It's
but
not even like you can like really grip it to pick it up.
yeah.
Well, we might be able to put that on to.
Let's see if we can get it on there. That works. Yeah, center it up. You gotta push it really hard.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Is it on it?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh yeah, push it on. Okay. All right, cool. Now we just walk in there. We're somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Then what, we're gonna like see if we can push it off? Yeah. Or... Is it on?
A little bit.
Because now I'm seeing it right now. We're like 3 inches off the ground and we're like, if it falls, man, it's a mess. It's gonna keep pouring. It's over.
Just as long as everything holds.
Yeah, let's see if we can just do this. Oh, what the hell?
Okay, you're sweet, bro.
Look at this, push it on. Yo, is your truck big enough to hold it? Yo. I mean, we're making it happen, you know, it's moving.
One's got less water in this, man.
This is what you should have got footage of.
Oh, look, it did. I got all of it. Yeah. All right, well, really appreciate everything.
Of course.
Yeah, we'll take it. Good luck with everything. We're done. Covered in oil. But we're done. Over the next few days, I went on a full shopping spree buying every deal I could find on the app. But of course, as I was just starting to think about how smooth everything was going, this happened. Guess what I just found out, bro? We got the old oil, bro. Bro, look. It's black oil. I didn't get scammed or anything because apparently even the people at the shop had them mixed up and the good barrel of oil was still there. As y'all could probably tell, it's really hard moving a barrel of oil. But if we want this oil, we have to do it. How you doing? Yeah, we're a little oil swap. I was wondering, do you guys have the little lift thingy?
It was red.
It was like the cart.
Oh, lift.
Last time we did it, it made it so much easier. Like we need that.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Yeah, yeah, appreciate it a lot. Yo, to buy something else now, yeah. Okay, this is so much easier than what we did. Oh yeah, there we go. Easy. Yeah, last time it took us way longer to do this. Like, appreciate it, but they're really chill, man. I like these.
No, they are. They were probably like a really good shop. That's too bad they closed them down.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Imagine if I thought they were open, I thought they would have came here.
Before we take it off, we should make
let's test it out real quick. All right.
Okay, it looks...
See that black oil? Okay, I cannot contaminate this. Yeah, this is old one, but I'm trying to make sure it's empty. Oh, all right, let's see. A moment of truth. I can't tell. Let's see.
No way. Oh, wait.
Is it good? Oh, it's good.
Okay.
Oh, it's good. It's good. Yeah, we have good oil. It was black at first. It was clear now, yeah. Bro, we're not like crazy now. We're good. Oh, so we're alright. We're good. Push it out. Alright. Good. Alright, we're done. Alright, we're good. Oh, frick, this like chassis is falling off here. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Hold on, let me kick it. Wait. Oh, frick. Oh, no. Yo. Oh, snap. Yo. That's dumb chassis, bro. It just keeps falling off. Oh, brother. Ow.
This is for the
Cool, really appreciate that.
Yeah,
really appreciate that. No, that's really nice of y'all.
Yep.
You got?
We'll grab it.
Cool. Oh, do y'all have like them jacks? Oh, snap. Do y'all have, okay. Do y'all have like jacks at all? Like, does it see like the tons or anything at all on them? Like how much weight? But I think it should be over 3 tons, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's big.
It gotta be 3 tons, but there's a serial number on it. I mean, just look it up.
Give me a number.
My budget was around 100.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Like,
Yeah.
friends and family?
It is insane. But yeah, I got imported.
All right. Well, it's 3 tons, so we'll do it. This is a 50 back, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's easier.
Yeah, there you guys go.
But yeah.
Unfortunately, we don't have the top things.
It's fine, yeah, that's probably just fine one. It's nothing too serious. Yeah. But no, I really appreciate everything, man.
No problem, man.
Ah, yeah, y'all have been really helpful.
Yeah, I got you.
Tell boss man appreciate everything. Yeah, have a good one. So nice.
I can't believe you got it for 100. Bro.
Yeah. I saw 3 ton on the listing. I was like, I'm taking it. You think I saw the serial number because you would have not known that. It's insane. Yeah, right now we're gonna go ahead and pick up some mats for the garage because I want to keep the floor as clean as possible. This garage does not have any epoxy levels or any type of layer, so I'm basically gonna have to like scrub out concrete, and I hate doing that. And as I was about 10 minutes from the shop, I got into an accident. I'll explain everything in detail in the next video and what this means for the Escalade. But for now, we have to keep pushing to get this garage done because the way things have been going, we're gonna need it sooner than I thought. We've had the shop for a little over a week now, and after about 5 days of setting up, I think we're finally done. So let's go take a look at it. So yeah, it's about a 21 by 21 foot 2-car garage. It's enough to where I can have 2 cars in here, but for the sake of me working on the car, I'm only gonna have one down closer to the center and 1 car is more for storage. To be honest, it's looking a lot better than I thought it was gonna be. We have new lighting in, so we have power running all the way down there. We have heating, we have cooling. But after that shopping spree, let's run the numbers and see how much we really spent, how much we really saved. Starting with the flooring, both of these mats, brand new, cost about $400 from Home Depot. We negotiated down to $140 for both. Next, we got this creeper slash chair for about 40 bucks. It's 60 on Amazon, so it wasn't our best discount, but we have enough clearance. We can just, you know what I mean? Yeah, no? Oh, yeah. Next, we have this shelf right here. It's a really sturdy shelf. Everything's fully adjustable. And again, it is on wheels. Like I said, everything here is gonna be moving around constantly. I couldn't find the exact brand online, but it is about $100 to $200 brand new. So we're just gonna give it the value of 100 bucks. I bought it for $20, so I basically got it for free. Next, we have this AC that's rated for about 10,000 BTU. It's between 300 to 400 online. We got it for only $50. The only thing it is missing, the tube that comes out of here. I could easily just go replace it. It's a built-in AC, fan, and a dehumidifier all in one for 50 bucks. Just can't get better than that. You can't have AC without having heating. So for our heating, we do have this guy. Just for comparison, the AC over there is 10,000 BTU. This thing is 215,000 BTU. This thing heats up to 5,300 square feet. I may resell it because retail price on something like this is between like $500 to $550 from what I've seen. We got it for $150. It's just another really good deal we found at the shop. Right next to it, we have this Pittsburgh 1,000 pound engine stand. It's about $140 online. We got it for 40 bucks. So that right there just shaves off so much. And you can't have an engine stand without having something to put it on it with. Right here, we have a 3,000 pound engine crane. Another reason I really wanted to get something like this, nothing anything too crazy, is because it folds up. So just like that, we have it down to something that move and stick in the corner easily, not have to worry about it taking up too much space. Right here we have 4 6-ton jack stands, more than double for the Escalade, so we're gonna be really safe there. Of course, as y'all can tell, I care about safety. 2 of these brand new cost between 80 to 100 bucks. We got all 4 for 80 bucks. Here we have a 3-ton floor jack. They're spring loaded, so with a couple of pumps, you can easily raise it. Like, it's like nothing. This thing brand new, as y'all probably seen earlier, costs around $850, which is like insane. I don't know who would pay that much for something like this. They gave it to me for 100. It just needed a little bit of cleaning and bam, we have a really high quality jack. Now finally, our oil. One of the biggest investments we made this whole video. The whole oil situation, they actually ended up giving us another $50 back. So in total, we bought this whole barrel of oil for $150. 5W30 synthetic blend, exactly what the Escalade takes. This thing brand new goes between $900 to $1,500 for a full barrel of oil. Shout out to the mechanic shop for coming through and giving me these good deals. Everybody, they were super smooth. They made everything really easy and really working with me. We spent about $915 overall. Thankfully, to some investments, we went a little over budget, but that alone is gonna pay for everything we have in the long run. The total for everything that we have here, if we bought everything at retail value, we are paying between $3,500 to $3,800. We got it all for $900. This video is a lot crazier than I thought it was gonna be, but I have so many big plans for this space, so make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in the next one.